I'm going to show you guys how to create a background for your portrait. All I used was printing ink, my printing block, and construction paper. So first thing you're going to do is pick out what color construction paper you want. It can be any color as long as it kind of, looks good with your picture. And then you're going to pick whatever color printing ink that you want. So I'll have probably about 8 different types of ink out that you can choose from. For this video, I'm going to use gold ink and then black construction paper. So when you come in for class, there will most likely be ink already set out. If there's not, you're just going to take a little bit from the jar using one of these knives, and you're going to spread it out on the plate, just in a small section. Okay, you're going to put the knife back in the container, set it to the side, and then you're going to take your printing brayer, which is basically just like a rolly tool, and you're going to roll this ink. So I'm trying to stay within this small area. I don't want to spread the ink over the entire plate because it's going to waste the ink. So I'm just going to stay within the confines of this little square. I'm going to push this to the side, get my block out. I'm going to roll this ink on to my design. Now, if a little bit of ink gets onto your block like there, that's okay. If it really bothers you, you could wipe it off with a paper towel. It's just going to create like a little bit of texture, which actually kind of looks cool. So I'm rolling this ink on. I'm going sideways and then going up and down. If you feel like you can always take more ink from your ink plate. Okay. I'm going to set my brayer onto my ink plate so it's out of the way. And then I'm going to put my paper underneath me, and we're going to start pulling prints. So you're going to take your block. You are going to want to write like a T or something for the top so you don't accidentally go upside down. So make sure you do that. You're going to hold it like this, and then you're just going to set it onto your paper wherever you want it. You could use the corner to line up with the corner of the paper. Now, once the block's on the paper, you can't move it, because if you move it, it's going to smudge. So you're just going to gently press. And I like to just peel up carefully to see what's going on under there. And that was my first print, okay? So what I'm going to do next is roll more ink on. And then I'm going to do this process a couple more times so my paper is full of this design.